My name's Lars and I'm the creator of Tiny Tree Houses. One of the questions I get asked most is how I came up with the idea. So I'm a 3D designer and I've always had this fascination with tree houses. I had a book when I was at uni on treehouse architecture and I was just amazed by all the conceptual, playful designs that were in it. And then I've combined that with my love of plants. And this whole thing started as one of those wouldn't it be funny if moments, but then I did some sketches and then I developed those sketches in my CAD programs. And then I got my first piece prototyped, and it was at that point in the project that I realized that this could actually be something. I've had so much fun creating this project. It's incredible to see it come to life like it has. So I really hope that you enjoy it just as much as I have. And so it would mean the absolute world to me if you would help support the project as well, either by backing it or sharing it on the socials. And if you do back the project, stay tuned because I've got some fun designs lined up as stretch goals as well. Alright, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.